to my channel. Today is another day in my kitchen. This is actually a cook with me video. As you can see, I have a whole variety of fruits and vegetables here. I have plantain. This is plantain, different types. I have the ripe one, the green one, and I also have this one here that we call frog plantain. As you can see, this is the big bulky ones. People always use this one to make the fry and press. But I just discovered that this one is actually nice. It's much softer. I've never seen anyone fry this one. But I'm telling you, I tried it the other day and this one is so good. The texture is more softer and it's not gonna, you know how you fry the plantain and then after a couple of minutes it becomes very hard. I didn't find that with this one, the frog plantain. So today, this is what we're gonna be doing today. I am going to fry the frog plantain, not the regular green plantain. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to go about that. So first thing you want to do, just wet it with some water and cut off the top like this, and cut the bottom like this. And now all I gotta do is just start there and just go all the way around, as easy as that. So this one is all done and this is what it's looking like, very white. All right, so guys, this is the frog plantain and this is the regular plantain. This frog plantain is so much lighter than the regular plantain, very lightweight. I'll just cut one of my frog plantain in a circular shape. And this one I just cut vertically. So just like that. And another slice. Pot is on the stove, the oil is all heated, and now I'm getting ready to put my frog plantain in the oil. Right? So let's test it. Oil is ready, so here we go, guys. First piece of plantain right into the frying pan. All right, we're gonna turn down the flame to medium. Right. Like I said, guys, try this in your kitchen. I just discovered that this plantain here is very nice in terms of texture, easy to handle, and it tastes very good. All right, so welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia Williams. Thanks for stopping by. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot in advance. And those of you already subscribed, thanks a lot. Road to 1K subscribers. So guys, take a look. You see what we're looking at right here? So there you go, guys. Frog plantain, not regular plantain. Alright? This is a regular plantain that everybody always used to do the fry and press. But I'm putting another spin on this. Like I said, I'm using the frog plantain. Otherwise called burro banana. Some people call it burro banana. In Jamaica, it's frog plantain. This is good. This is very good for fish tea also, frog plantain. Very good in fish tea. So we're gonna allow that to fry. Alright guys, let's turn our plantains. See how nice and brown that is? This is the frog plantain, guys. Remember, Dr. Sadie said this is the best banana to eat. The frog plantain. Some people say frog, some say burro. Alright, so now we're turning. So you see how pretty that is, guys? Frog plantain. Alright, we're gonna give that at least another like 3 or 4 minutes, and then we're gonna take that batch out, and then we're gonna go ahead and fry the ones that we cut in the circular shape. So I'm also frying some ripe plantain. This is ripe plantain. Now I'm gonna press a couple pieces, but like I said, guys, there's no need for it. Banana is so soft and nice. There's no need, but I just want to show you. So I just put it back into the pot after pressing it. My ripe plantains are all brown and nice. Look at it. This is my sweet plantain, the ripe one. So these ones are the circular ones that we made from the frog plantain. This is my sweet plantain. And now it's ready to come out the oil. All fried, golden brown.